Hey everyone, Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this Bearwill pitching net. As you can see, it comes with this large carry bag. All you have to do is take off the two legs on the bottom and you can easily store it away and bring it wherever you go. The nice thing is it has 9 net pockets for different types of pitches, perhaps different parts of the strike zone, and super easy to set up. Probably took like 5 to 10 minutes just to set it up, and the longest part was just tying on the string to hold this thing onto the poles right there. So super nice overall. It's got 4 stakes at the bottom that hold it into the ground. Let's go ahead and see how it works. So as you can see at the top there, at the top again, basically no matter where you hit, it will land in a pocket just based on the way it's set up. Again on the top, and super easy to go and claim your balls. You can really throw a lot of balls before you have to go ahead and pick them up. So overall, super nice, great for practicing pitching. Thanks for watching.